My name is Steen Mikkelsen, and I'm the co-founder of FASTSEWN. I have a background in automated cutting systems. For the longest time, I've been thinking, how can you also automate sewing? I noticed from many customer visits that automation cutting, automation design, automation in printing. But when it came to the sewing, when you open up the door into the sewing room, it's full of people and sewing machines. It is an opportunity, but it's also a difficult problem to solve, because sewing is, you have to have a needle and you have to have a thread that connects to make a stitch. And that means you have to move two surfaces around, the bottom and the top. And how do you do that on a flat surface? Because my background is, if you can put it on a flat surface and you can fix with a vacuum, you have control over where the material is. You don't have to register it again.